Hello everybody, I'm Yash. So today we are going to discuss the best Indian geography GK questions and answers. So let's start. Which is the biggest state of India by area? Yes, it's Rajasthan. Which state is known as Spice Garden of India? Yup, it's Kerala. Which is the largest river in India? Of course, it's Ganga. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? It's Mount Kanchenjunga. Which is the smallest state in India? Of course, it's Goa. Which city is called Pink City of India? It's Jaipur. Which city is known as Blue City of India? Can you guess? Yeah, it's Jodhpur. Which city is known as Temple City of India? It's the capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Which state has highest literacy rate in India? It's Kerala. Which is the most fertile region of India? It's Indo-Gangetic Plain. If you have answered all the 10 questions correctly, you are very nice at geography questions and quizzes. Let's see if you can answer the other questions also. Which soil is most abundant in India? Alluvial soil. Which Indian state has highest number of districts? It's Uttar Pradesh. Which is the most abundant metal in India? Yeah, it's copper. How much percentage of the world's total land is occupied by India? If you guess 2.4%, you're absolutely right. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? It's the Vula Lake. Which is the longest road in India? Awesome. It's NH44. It is 2,327 miles and it is from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Which is the only state in India that produces saffron? Yes, it is the Jammu and Kashmir. Which strait separates India from Sri Lanka? If you guess Palk Strait, you're absolutely right. Which city is called Queen of Arabian Sea? It is in Kerala and it is Kochi. Which city is known as City of Seven Islands? Yes, the capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Which is the longest beach in India? It's the Marina Beach. Which country shares longest border with India? Yes, it starts with a B and it's Bangladesh. Which state is called Wheat Bowl of India? It is Punjab. Which Indian state is densely populated? It's Bihar. Which state has the longest coastline in India? It is Gujarat. If you have answered 25 questions continuously correctly, you have earned a star and you're awesome. Which tropic passes through middle of India? It's the Tropic of Cancer. By how many hours Indian Standard Time IST is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time? It's 5 hours 30 minutes. How many union territories are there in India? It's 9. Which water body separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands? It's the 10-degree channel. Which city is called Yoga City? It's the Rishikesh. Which is the oldest oil refinery in India? It is Digboi, Assam. Name the oldest mountain range of India. Aravalli Range. How many major ports are there in India? If you guess 13, you're absolutely right. Which state is the largest producer of sugar? It's Uttar Pradesh. Which is the most important raw material for generation of power in India? Yes, it's coal. Where is the headquarters of North East Frontier Railway? Maligaon, Guwahati in Assam. Where is the headquarters of Central Railways? It's again the capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Which city is called Manchester of South India? Coimbatore. Which is the largest river island in India as well as the world? It's Manjuli in Assam. Which is the longest dam in India? It's a Hirakud Dam. If you have answered all the questions continuously and correctly till 40th question, a big hats off to you. And you might conduct quiz on your own itself. Let's continue. Which city was the summer capital of India during British rule? Of course, it's Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Which is the India's only active volcano? It's the Barren Island. Which state of India is called Land of Five Rivers? It's Punjab. Which state is the largest producer of steel in India? Of course, it's Odisha. Which industry started first in India? It's the textile industry. Salal project is on which river? It's Chenab. Name the Union Territories newly formed on August 2019. Can you guess? It's Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Which state is called Land of Rising Sun? Yes, you guessed it right. It's Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the headquarters of Northeast Council NEC located? It's Shillong. Which state has maximum state boundaries? It's not my time, it's your time. You have to comment your answers and we'll check if it is correct or not. And it's the end of the video, and if you like this video, smash that like button, and if you are a newcomer, you should click the subscribe button and put the notification to all so that you will get our notifications. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye.